from Region 2, Cagayan Valley, headed by the Regional President from MPDC, Cabagan Isabela, ESP, Rayon and Umira. From Region 3, Central Luzon, headed by Regional President from CPDC Olongapo City, ENP Architect Tony Carr and Bali III. From Region 4A, Calabarzon, headed by the Regional President, MPDC Iban Batangas, ENP Engineer Mario S. Samson, MPA. From Region 4B, Mimaropa, headed by the Regional President from MPDC Coron, Balawan, ENP Engineer Michael Adrian F. Pababier, MPA, MAURP. From Bicol Region, headed by Regional President of MPDC San Fernando Camarines Sur, ENP Architect Aldous Janelle A. Montino, UAP PIEP. From Region 6, Western Visayas, headed by the Regional President, MPDC Patiana Iloilo, Engineer Romalia A. Ricabar. From Region 7, Central Visayas, headed by the Regional President from MPDC Sogod Cebu, ENP Jose Gonzalo S. Tumula. From Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula, headed by the Regional President from MPDC Beyond P. Postigo, Zamboanga del Norte, Mr. Rosquino C. Sumalino Jr., JP. From Region 10, Northern Mindanao, headed by the Regional President from MPDC Hidalgo, ENP Titus M. Velez. From Region 11, Davao Region, headed by the Regional President, CPDC Davao City, ENP Engineer Arman C. Cortez. From Region 12, Soap Sergeant, headed by the Regional President, MPDC Isulan Sultan Kudarat, ENP Evelyn A. Fantilahan, MPA MTRM. From Region 13, Caraga Region, headed by the Regional President from MPDC Bunao Agusan del Sur, Engineer Robert Floyd and Saniste. National Capital Region, headed by the Regional President from CPDC Baguio City, ENP Merlina Paliman. And from CAR, Cordillera Administrative Region, headed by the Regional President, PPDC Galinga, ENP Flor de Liza G. Montero. And from Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, headed by the Regional President from PPDC Maguindanao del Sur, ENP Lodepagi es Ampaduan COE LPA. And our host region from Region 8, Eastern Visayas, headed by the regional president, CPDC Tacloban City, ENP Janice Claire S. Panta, together with the officers. The National Executive Officers. Let's start with the Information Officer from MPDC Magallanes, Agusta del Norte, ENP Alexander A. Elizar. And our Business Manager from MPDC, Pilar Sorsogon, ENP Attorney Eduardo D. Lupa Jr. And our auditor from MPDC LGU Nicuan by Abra, ENP Joel M. Sanatan LB. The Secretary General from PPDC Zamboanga Sibugay, Engineer Venancio A. Ferrer II. And our Treasurer from MPDC Sariaya Quezon, ENP Ronnie L. Lindo. For Mindanao, from MPDC Tupi, Maguindanao del Norte, ENP Engineer Paulo E. Cagara, RNMPA. And the Vice President for Visayas, from PPDC Aklan, Engineer Roger M. Estu, JD, DPA. Let's have the Vice President for Southern Luzon from CPDC Tacloban City Cavite, Engineer Beltran M. Purificacion. And the Vice President for North Luzon from MPDC Rogatagla, ENP Victor Gerald A. Castaneda. Vice President from MPDC Arito, Nueva Vizcaya, ENP Annie Rose M. Herrera, PhD. From MPDC with a Vista Bohol, ENP Alfred and Logroño. And that's how our guest of honor, Board Member Raisa Villasic from the province of Leyte. Sakura of Eagle Representative Jonathan